It's been a sad day for India Shakti. Sunday was not having much action. Saturday, in fact, I've lost track of dates now. It was not having much action, but क्या किया यार ये भाई मतलब निशान देव से उम्मीद थी वो भी हार गया एंड
नहीं,
स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द डे
एक्शन एक्शन नहीं था ज्यादा, वी वर दैट्स व्हाट वी वर डिस्कसिंग कि वीकडेज में देयर वर लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 12:31, बट आज कम इवेंट्स थे, बट देयर वर लॉट ऑफ medal chances in these events. Starting, like, we can start from the first event, which was Manu Bakar's
मनु बाकर
final in the 25-meter pistol. So I think that was pretty close. The
शक्ति मैंने
medal
एक
was
जो
lost in the.
फोर्थ प्लेस का वीडियो जब से बनाया है ना कि ड्रेडेड फोर्थ तब से हर दिन कोई ना कोई फोर्थ फिनिश कर रहे हैं भाई मैंने अल्टीमेट जिंक्स डाल दिया है भाई इंडियन टीम पे भाई 2 दिन में 2 फोर्थ पोजीशंस मतलब कैन यू इमेजिन दैट मतलब कैसे
Yeah.
हुआ वो मतलब व्हाट इज योर फीलिंग अबाउट दैट मनु बाकर फिनिशिंग एगोनाइजिंगली
No,
क्लोज टू थर्ड एवर मेडल
yeah. So Manu Bhaker, I think the initial part of the finals was pretty good for her, but the last 2 3 series, where when the elimination started, that's where one of those rallies where you have to hit 5 shots in the span of 2 3 seconds gap. So there I think she scored one which had just 2 out of 5.
या
That was kind of, I felt she missed out, that in fact the person who won the bronze, Veronica Major from Hungary. So I think she also had a couple of 2 on 5s, but those were in the initial stages of the final, not towards the fag end, when it actually mattered. And I think that's what Manu also said, that she was under a lot of pressure at that time and she might have got nervous.
भाई
And skipping lunches also, might have played some part in it.
At least she had her breakfast, unlike Nikhat Zareen. So
Yeah.
all credit to her for having her breakfast. So मैं तो I was about to mock Veronica Mayor because I was thinking कि ये
Hmm.
कितनी बड़ी चोकर है जो 10 मीटर
Yeah.
इंडिविजुअल इवेंट में भी फर्स्ट क्वालिफाई की और 25 मीटर में भी फर्स्ट क्वालिफाई करके इस
Yeah.
फर्स्ट क्वालिफाई करके भी कभी भी मेडल्स नहीं जीत पा रही है और आज
Right.
भी
Right.
जब इनिशियल राउंड चल रहा था तो वेरोनिका मायोर वाज आउट ऑफ द मेडल्स पोजीशन But
Hmm.
shockingly, I don't know what happened in. Matlab, Manu started with sixth, then she went to
Yeah.
third, then she went to second, and she was
Right.
comfortable. We were also getting all comfortable कि हाँ भाई हो जाएगा medal का.
Yeah.
But round
Yeah.
8 was really shocking जब दो उसका लगा and I saw that now there is a shoot off और shoot off सुनते ही इंडियंस क्या 12 बज जाता है मतलब कि इंडियंस बहुत डर जाते हैं भाई शूट ऑफ नाम से ही क्योंकि हमने देखा है धीरज बोम्मदेवरा के साथ क्या हुआ आज भजन कौर के साथ क्या हुआ शूट ऑफ में
Yeah.
हमारा अच्छा लक नहीं रहता है जनरली तो व्हेन आई थॉट
I
दैट
think
शूट
I think the I think that could also be, मतलब उसका लॉजिक भी ये हो सकता है कि as a nation everyone is looking up to them to win a medal. मतलब we are so starved of that medal glory. तो वो additional pressure आ जाता है, I guess, which in comparison to players from other nations who might not, somebody from Hungary might not be, yeah, it's a medal at the end of the day, but इतना pressure नहीं है, right? I think that's
राइट
where but the best part is that in fact that's what Sania Mirza was also saying just a couple of minutes back. They were discussing about Nishan Dev match, and she was saying that when she was playing, and she was playing till 2000, the last Tokyo Olympics, that we were not reaching so many matches where we were finishing fourth, yeah, quarterfinals mein aa rahe hain and stuff. That level of we are almost there, knocking at the door, but not making the final push, and that we could see throughout the day today. Most of the matches, if you talk about Bhajan Kaur match also, there also she was almost there, but when it came to a shoot off, that's when she just had to hit a 9, and she hit a 8. So
या
otherwise she had made a great
So
comeback.
she had to
uh,
hit a 9 with less than 96 mm. That
right,
that
right.
was the thing, and I was
Yes.
expecting her to actually nail it because Bhajan Kaur is
Hmm.
my favorite archer because she has been really
Yes.
even in that match.
Yeah.
If you see, she was scoring 29s She was going
Right.
to toe with the other archer from Indonesia. I think it was. She was
I
going toe to toe.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Hmm.
Deepika had a win versus the German archer whom we saw yesterday.
Hmm.
And uske baad
Hmm.
we knew it was going to be a tough match versus Nam Soo Hyun.
Nam. Hmm.
Yeah, and but what did Deepika do in this event is amazing. Matlab, throughout the
Hmm.
event, we saw Deepika making other opponents choke because in we saw in women's team event that Deepika had a really poor day and she was
Yeah.
being trolled left, right, and center by the media and by the social media
Hmm.
sports followers. But in this individual event, actually, she made others choke, and we saw actually good archers lose to her.
Hmm.
But when
Yeah.
it came to Nam, it was always going to be too difficult, Shakti. What do you feel that with
Hmm.
that inconsistent, six and sevens, it was never going to be enough versus Nam. So I was anyway expecting 0-6, but actually
Yeah.
she gave some hopes after leading 4-2. What was your
Yeah.
emotions?
I think in the women's team event, both of them were bad. Deepika as well as Ankita. Because
Hmm.
Ankita, I remember, hit like a six or something.
Four. She
Right?
hit a four.
Four. Yeah. So, and that was complemented by eights and sevens of Deepika. So, that was a complete fuck all event for India. But, this quarterfinal, it was surprising because at one point she was leading 4-2.
Hmm.
And she could have that's again another trend we have seen that Indians are leading at every stage in each of these major matches, and they're giving it away in some way later on, and the opponent is somehow winning it. We have seen it repeatedly in the last few days, right?
Even
So
Nishant was
uh,
leading 4-1 in first round.
yeah, and I think Deepika was also, when it mattered, she hit two sevens and two eights today, right? So that
Yeah.
is again something which was very shocking. Nobody is expecting somebody of her level who has been playing in her fourth Olympics to hit sevens in a quarterfinal. Again, that's again
I just
something which is very
did you get the
surprising. Yeah,
feeling that Deepika Kumari is not medal quality archer because today Akash was sharing that she beat Nam in some other tournament 2 months ago, but in Olympics her performance have been
yeah,
disastrous. They have been just
hmm,
disastrous, and today
yeah,
was a golden chance where she could have shut her critics up, and everyone
yeah,
would have had to take their words back today. Shakti, if she had won that
yeah,
quarterfinal and went to the semi-final, but
yeah,
and she may have beaten the French girl also. We never know. She could have won a bronze or something. But it
yeah,
was. Uh, I felt she played well in that match, but the previous matches of Deepika were so bad. We never got that
yeah.
confidence that Deepika could beat someone like Nam Suyon, who was always going to get that silver medal.
Right. Yeah, in fact, somebody who is playing her fourth Olympics and not even making beyond quarterfinals is also very surprising.
Yeah.
Because we would assume that, somebody who has been in the system for so long would not only make it to the semis and win a medal, but also not hit sevens and eights when it really mattered. So that way, pretty disappointing. And I also agree to what Akash was saying that, she is a choker, frankly. At big stages, maybe she might have won some CWG or Asian Games, but at a bigger stage, she is not made for it. Yeah.
And another storyline is that I felt Purnima Mahato was quite useless there. And she was just भाई वो क्यों आई थी मतलब मुझे तो वही समझ नहीं आया कि स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड मेंटेन बोलना था या बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना था यही दो उसका जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में आई थिंक यही दो चीजें लिखा है either you have to say that straight line and maintain and every shot of Bhajan it was so irritating कि Bhajan को
Yeah.
हर shot में she was like spoon feeding that instruction और मे बी भजन
Hmm.
वुड हैव आस्क्ड फॉर इट आई डोंट नो मतलब कि भजन बोली होगी कि नहीं मुझे थोड़ा ऐसे बोलो अच्छा लगता है आपका सुनने में स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड मेंटेन या ये दीपिका कुमारी को बोली होगी कि मुझे बैकवर्ड काउंट देते रहना तब मुझे पता चलेगा मुझे कब एरो क्योंकि मैं तो इतना लंबा होल्ड करूंगी कि मतलब
नहीं,
मुझे
बट दीपिका कुमारी का वो भी एक फेज था, राइट, व्हेन शी वाज making long holds and वही वाले shots थोड़े मतलब they were going for six, but surprisingly three out of those three long holds she hit 2 10s out of those long holds, which was very surprising. जो कि पुराने मतलब पिछले दिन में they would have gone for maybe 6 or 7. So but yeah, pretty disappointed. But yeah, I think कि मतलब that's what we were discussing कि we want Bhajan and Dheeraj to team up in the future. Because those are two people we saw were consistently good, even though their partners might have been not really great. So I think yeah, in the future we hope to see these guys at least teaming up in the mixed event, or making it good in the individual events.
Shakti, who are you more disappointed with? Is it Bhajan Kaur or is it Deepika Kumari? Who would you say you are more not Bhajan Kaur, Ankita Bhagat or Deepika Kumari? Who would you say you are more disappointed with? People are
No,
calling them as
Ankita.
frauds. मतलब
नहीं,
वो थोड़ा
अंकिता भगत से तो किसी का भी नहीं था कुछ, बट दीपिका वाज एटलीस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग टुडे इन द इनिशियल फेज एंड टिल शी वाज लीडिंग आल्सो. सो ऑब्वियसली आई विल गो विद अंकित दीपिका as
she was the
somebody who
favorite.
disputed. Yeah, right, yeah.
And archery again we end with no medal, and shooting भी ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक खत्म हो गया है, और कोई इवेंट्स बचे नहीं है इंडिया के खास. तो
25-meter men's है कल qualification, but I'm not really sure like what are the prospects. Same event as Manu's event which was today. So
Okay,
that
और
qualification there are two Indians there.
तो सरबजोत भी
So
होगा क्योंकि वो भी तो पिस्टल
नहीं,
शूटर है.
सरबजोत नहीं है, 25 meters में नहीं है वो. दो नए बंदे हैं,
अच्छा
I think just saw their names.
अच्छा, ठीक है, we'll check it out meanwhile.
Yeah,
And just want to say tomorrow is a big day for India. लक्ष्य सेन कल जो उसने
yeah,
मैच खेला है सीटीसी के अगेंस्ट, तो
yeah.
लोग पागल हो गए. मतलब लक्ष्य सेन he has beaten three ranked higher ranked players, and now he's
Hmm.
going for the biggest of all, Victor Axelsen. Just want to know
Axelsen.
what you are feeling about Lakshya Sen's last 3 victories. जॉनथन क्रिस्टी को लोग बोल रहे हैं चोकर, फिर एच एस प्रणॉय को लोग बोल रहे हैं अनप्रिडिक्टेबल, फिर अब चाउ टियन चेन की कोच को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं कि वो ज्यादा जंप अराउंड कर रही थी, तो शी वाज मतलब क्या यार, लक्ष्य सेन को थोड़ा क्रेडिट दे दो भाई उसके विक्ट्रीज के लिए. मतलब तुम हमेशा एक रीजन निकाल दे रहे हो. तो व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट लक्ष्य सेन मतलब इन जनरल?
आई थिंक मतलब इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस में आफ्टर मनु भाकर तो लक्ष्य सेन का ही, इनफैक्ट लक्ष्य सेन हैज बीन giant killer, you can say, right? He has defeated 3 players who are seeded much higher than him. So I think yeah, but Axelsen के साथ उसका the record is not that great, if I'm not wrong, right? So not sure, but I think he's somebody who can give a fight to the best on any day. So so yeah, let's hope for the best. I think anyway
एंड मैं एक
बैडमिंटन का
चीज
अभी और कुछ.
भूल गया तुझसे पूछना, निशान देव का भी बहुत बड़ा में झटका
Yeah,
लगा एक्चुअली.
right.
मतलब सब कल मैं आकाश और उससे जब हम बात कर रहे थे, तो वो लोग अरुण और आकाश से बात कर रहे थे, तो वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि इज अ वेरी गुड बॉक्सर एंड उसका हाइट भी अच्छा है, प्लस
Yeah,
साउथ पो है. बट हमें पता नहीं था ये मेक्सिकन वाला भी साउथ पो है. मतलब ये दोनों लेफ्ट हैंडर्स थे एंड दे कैंसिल्ड ईच अदर आउट. एक्चुअली इट वॉज अ डॉग फाइट. मतलब मुझे बहुत ब्रूटल फाइट लगा भाई, दोनों एक दूसरे को पूरा फोड़ रहे थे. और बीच में मुझे लगा कि यार वो नॉकआउट हो जाएगा निशांत, क्योंकि वो अंपायर
yeah,
काउंट
yeah.
करना शुरू कर
Count
दिया था.
कर.
एंड इवन दैट गाय वाज फॉलिंग अपार्ट. मतलब मेक्सिकन वाज
Yeah.
आल्सो फॉलिंग अपार्ट.
Hmm.
एंड व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन इट?
I think जो stat I heard just before the match was कि Nishant had beaten this guy Alvarez in 2021. After that Alvarez has played 32 bouts and he has just lost 3. So that was something which was in the back of my mind. But the first 2 rounds तो काफी अच्छे थे निशांत से. So that's why we were shocked when the second round went against Nishant. So in fact, I was hearing the studio people also. They were also pretty shocked that how it went against, and they were saying कि later on they might raise a, that happens, right? They raise a thing, but
Complain.
nothing happens. Complain. So, but yeah, obviously, after the second round, he knew that, since things have turned in his favor, he kind of became much more aggressive in the last round, Alvarez. So, उस time पे Nishant had slowed down. Maybe he had lost a lot of his energy, but it seemed like somebody, it at least second round तक लग रहा था कि मतलब he might actually win it and get a medal.
And
But
boxing ka infamous history continues because Mary Kom last time we saw she was confident of winning, and then the
right.
referee said ki her opponent had won from
Hmm.
some South American country again. And this time also we felt that second round should have gone to Nishant and it didn't go. Actually second round में तो वो गिर रहा था, खाली गिर रहा था, पकड़ रहा था, वो कैसे जीत गया यार वो second round?
Second round में he was just trying to hold him and basically evade कर रहा था, trying
Hmm.
to evade his punches, but and जितना बाद में time मिला था, I think Nishant was good enough in those, but anyway it's very subjective, तो अभी इस पे तो कुछ कर
Hmm.
नहीं सकते हम लोग.
By the way, just to update our viewers, Anish Bhanwala and Vijay Veer Sidhu, ये दोनों हैं कल 25 मीटर रैपिड पिस्टल में. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, these two are there. And other events में Lovelina is competing tomorrow, so that's another
Hmm.
big hope that we have. And it's actually a quarterfinal. So if she
Hmm.
wins, she should get a medal, just like Nishant was supposed to
Yeah.
get today. But
And
what is your
हॉकी
general
वाला
feeling?
भी,
Huh?
हॉकी
नहीं.
का भी there is a big match tomorrow, India versus Great Britain. So
Oh,
that's again quarterfinal. So, and
yeah.
India had actually beat England last time and went to the semis. So it's almost a similar kind of setup. So, and I think after beating Australia, I think they would be pretty confident. So let's see, that's again another medal hope which we have been having for a long time.
Actually, my problem with hockey and India is that only two goals have come out of open play, field goals, and the
Yeah,
rest of the
yeah,
goals have come out of penalty corners and penalty strokes. And I have
right.
not kept track of how they have conceded the goals till now, but what I'm, matlab it's again like boxing. You never know what a referee is going to, and I can never understand the referral because even though they have put
Hmm.
mics for the referee, I can never understand what they are talking in hockey, and
Hmm.
they always say
No,
some.
but it's not as random as boxing, because here at least you have video evidence.
Hmm,
That I think that way
yeah,
it is much more
yeah,
cleaner,
yeah,
unlike
yeah.
boxing. So in fact, I think boxing in is not even there in the next Olympics, from what I remember.
No, no, it's there, but India will
It's
not
there.
play because their federation has been banned.
अच्छा,
I heard.
India's federation and
Yeah.
okay, okay.
वो तो
Oh shit.
आकाश जोशी का इतना ड्रामेटिक रहता है कि लग रहा है बॉक्सिंग है ही नहीं भाई वो कुछ. बट व्हाट्स योर जनरल फीलिंग ऑफ सैडनेस मैन? एक तो साला ये चाइना ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया है यार, हर जगह इंडिया को रोड ब्लॉक करके. बहुत सारे
Hmm.
मेडल्स तो चाइना, और आज कोरिया ने भी कर दिया.
Yeah.
फिर मतलब यार नियर मिसेस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहे हैं इस ओलंपिक्स में. आई डोंट थिंक पास्ट में इतने नियर मिसेस, फोर्थ प्लेस फिनिशेस, क्वार्टर फाइनल
Yeah.
लॉसेस, ये सब का मतलब मेंटल एगनी बहुत ज्यादा हो जा रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है मतलब कि आई एम डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग माई सेल्फ टू इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक्स जस्ट लाइक आकाश जोशी, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट
Hmm.
दैट वे आई कैन कीप माई मेंटल हेल्थ साउंड. मतलब
Sanity.
मुझे मुझे ऐसा.
And सारे events में, majority of the events में we are meeting, Asian countries like China and Korea. So it's not
हम्म,
like कि कोई US से हार रहे हैं या कोई ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हार रहे हैं. That
हम्म.
way, the pain is more because, China से at least तो obviously, it's it doesn't
यूएसए से
feel
कल
good.
हार गए ना, धीरज और अंकिता हार गए यूएस से. केसी एंड
Oh.
ब्रेडी, द मोस्ट जेनरिक अमेरिकन नेम्स. भाई भाई केसी ने क्या मारा है यार, मजा आ गया भाई. सॉरी, ब्रेडी ने क्या मारा है यार भाई. बहुत अमेजिंग मारा है ब्रेडी ने. And left handers were weak. Both teams left handers were weak. But Casey was amazing.
Yeah.
Mm. any other events, I think we have also our sadness
I
has
think
made us forget.
टीम में हम लोग एक फाइनल देख रहे थे, यिंगशा सुन एंड
या
फेंग चेन, वो भी काफी
चेंगमुंग
अमेजिंग
या
था।
क्या नाम है उसका पता नहीं
हाँ,
तो
कुछ तो था।
आई आई
मतलब
थिंक
वही है,
इट्स
इतना कॉम्बिनेशन है चाइनीज का। मतलब मैं टीटी वाला देख रहा था तो वहां पे एनीवे बोथ फाइनलिस्ट वे चाइनीज। देन उसके बाद एक कुछ करके बैडमिंटन देखा तो वहां
बैडमिंटन
पे भी
वुमेन्स
वुमेन्स
डबल्स
डबल्स, उसमें भी बोथ फाइनलिस्ट वे चाइनीज। तो मतलब पता नहीं है। एंड आई
and
थिंक द
they
एंटायर
they really compete with each other. It's not like Pranoy versus
या
Lakshya. It's not like
हम्म
that one side gave up. But they actually fight a lot because I was just reading about this history between Yingsha Sun and the Chen Meng. So they met
चेन
each other last year also, and last year also Yingsha Sun was unbeaten. Like she had not
हम्म
dropped a single game. Would you believe that?
या
She had won every game 4-0 till last time also, and this time also
हम्म
she won every game 4-0. And
या
at the end she lost, but both the time she lost. And
आई थिंक द क्लोजेस्ट टू बीटिंग गेटिंग अ सेट अगेंस्ट हर ट्वाइस वाज श्रीजा अकुला इन द
really
एंटायर
man, Shrija Akula was
सीरियसली।
really closest. और सेमी फाइनल में भी एक सेट उसका मैंने देखा 17-15 तक गया है उसका एक कोई सेट। वो कौन थी मुझे याद नहीं आ रही। इट वाज सम कोरियन और समवन आई थिंक।
ओके।
मियू हिरानो भी जिसने मनिका बत्रा को हराया वो भी
हम्म
7 सेट्स में हारी है। वो भी कोई कोरियन से हारी है I think, या चाइनीज से हारी
हम्म।
है। एंड
वो काफी अच्छी
हाँ मियू
हरिकेन हीरा।
हिरानो। एंड फ्रैंक क्या नाम है उसका लेब्रून सॉरी फिलिक्स
हाँ,
लेब्रून वो भी हार गया
फिलिक्स।
सेमीफाइनल में। ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले
ओ
फॉर द ब्रोंज।
ओ
एंड
ओके।
कोई स्वीडन का पहुंच गया है भाई फाइनल में। चाइना के साथ स्वीडन का मैच है मेंस टीटी में। सो
हम्म
एक चीज मैंने देखा है विल हैव टू मे बी गूगल द रीजन। डेनमार्क
हम्म
वाले बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं और स्वीडन वाले टीटी खेलते हैं। स्वीडन वाला पहले भी मैंने सुना था कोई टीटी का लेजेंडरी प्लेयर है स्वीडन का। सो आई डोंट नो
ओके।
स्कैंडिनेविया में कुछ डिवाइड है आई थिंक। बैडमिंटन तुम लोग खेलोगे टीटी तुम लोग खेलोगे ऐसा कुछ तो है का डिवाइड।
हम्म नहीं, बैडमिंटन तो मतलब हाँ, मतलब इट्स प्रीटी क्लियर। वही एक्सेल्सन, देन और एक कौन है उनका?
और एक था ना
विक।
जो पहले बहुत जीतता था वो उसका नाम मैं भूल गया।
हाँ,
हाँ
मतलब
एक और
वैसे ही
बंदा
कुछ
था।
है। हाँ।
हाँ
हम्म
डेनमार्क इज अ बिग बैडमिंटन कंट्री। दे आर बिग इन बैडमिंटन। दे आई थिंक
हम्म।
मेंस डबल्स में भी उनका कोई है बंदा फाइनल वाइनल में।
ओके।
तो दैट्स द रैप फॉर ओलंपिक्स एंड लेट्स सी यार कल का दिन थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाए कुछ हॉकी में भी पॉजिटिव हो जाए एंड लोवलीना से थोड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशंस है एंड लक्ष्य सेन ऑब्वियसली 3 big things are coming up tomorrow and let's hope this battered Indian contingent finds some hope, some ray of hope and can get out of this dark tunnel which is just never ending. And thank you, Shakti, for joining. And it was fun to cover the Olympics. And congrats to the Caribbean nations also, like we mentioned at the start.
Yeah.
And thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. And please subscribe our channel, Cricket Caviar.